Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on loading on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on this page of Netflix and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. And after that, here we go to Play Store. You will search about Netflix. And here you will update your app to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.